Hallo meine liebe Schüler, willkommen Sie zurück. Wie geht es euch allen?
So everyone, recently we have covered Lektion 9, Geld verdienen jeden Preis, and as you all know that we have covered paragraph translation. This is what we have done. Along with this, we have also covered Richtig oder falsch. Yes. So now let us begin with question and answer. So question number 1 is beantworten Frage Nummer 2, beantworten Sie die folgenden Fragen, which means answer the following questions. So, question number 1 is Rahul hat keine Zeit für das Frühstück. Warum denn eigentlich? Which means Rahul has no time for the breakfast. But why actually? So, as I explained, that he has no time for breakfast because if he'll take more time, then there will be peak traffic hours and he has to stuck in a traffic jam. So, the answer will be wenn sich mehr Zeit nimmt, wird es Hauptverkehrszeit und dann muss mit dem Stau rechnen, which means if he'll take more time, he has to face traffic on the road. So point number 2, Frage Nummer 2, was macht Rahul heute Abend? Which means what does he do today evening? So the answer of this question is am Abend nimmt an einem Tennisspiel teil, which means in evening he is going to take a part in the tennis match. I'll be giving you the solution of all the answers in the last of this video, and this is what you have to do in your German notebook. In my last WebEx session, we have covered translation. We have also covered richtig oder falsch, and after doing the same, you have to start with question and answer. So you have to write the questions and answer I'll be giving you in the last of this video. Now, Frage Nummer 3, was erwartet der Moderator auf der Talkshow? Which means what are the expectations of the moderator or of the moderator on the talk show? What were her expectations? So the answer of this will be jede Bewegung wird kritisch beachtet. Und die Statistiken und die Zahlen muss auf dem FF kennen, which means the statistics and the numbers should be on the tips and every movement will be critically observed. So this was the expectations. Now Frage Nummer 4. Welche Sätze in dem Text zeigen, dass das Leben sehr stressig ist, which means which sentence from the paragraph shows that the life is full of stress. So here, this is the line, das Leben ist stressig und gibt einem hohen Blutdruck, Schlafstörungen, Kopfschmerzen und so weiter, which means a life is full of stress and there is a high blood pressure, sleep disorder and headache. So this is your answer number 4. Now let us begin with the last question, that is Rahul glücklich? Was meinen Sie? Which means, is Rahul happy? What do you think? So, I need to know your suggestion. What do you think? As I have explained this paragraph that he has lot of work to do. He woke up early in the morning. He didn't get time to have his breakfast properly. Then he rushed to his office. Then he has to give the presentation and there were so many things in the paragraph. He has to take part in the tennis match and he was quite worried because each and every movement will be critically observed. So I need to know your suggestion, class 8th. What do you feel like? Is he actually happy or not? And if he is not happy, then why? So you have to do question number 5 on your own. You have to write down the answer on your own on the basis of this paragraph. Rest, as I have explained earlier, you have to cut the grammatic of the chapter, which means the grammar of the chapter will not be coming. So you have to cut the same. Rest will start with the Arbeitsbook soon. So everybody make sure that you complete your work on time and everybody make sure that all the answers needs to be done properly in your German notebook. So take care everyone. Bye bye. Hope you all have a good day ahead.